Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. At the end of every month, one lucky person will be selected for a free reading for only those who subscribe, like, and share. It is join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot for personal reading. Visit our website. And thank you so much if you want to donate to us, friends. And if you have already donated, thank you so much. Many angel blessings to you. And for donations, you can send me emails or you can message me through the website. So let's see, Sagittarius, what's the theme of the month for you? Wow, the Queen of Pentacles, a lot of success, a lot of money. Sagittarius, you are, riding on the wave, riding on the wave of money, success, career success, a lot of achievements. This is a month of power, Sagittarius. See, busy at work, Three of Pentacles. January, you are very busy. You are busy taking care of your home, your family, your work, your career. A lot of plans, a lot of collaborations. You're busy. Some of you are working from home, or maybe you're managing two jobs or something. So you're very busy. It's a busy month for you, friends. And look at that Page of Wands. It is your own energy. So you are very excited about some new projects which will start, Sagittarius, or some excitement is going to come for you, and you will enjoy it. Whether it is some new opportunity for work or for education. Some of you might get a pet, like accidentally or by chance you meet a cat or a dog or a puppy and you just bring it home. You'll feel very excited. Or maybe someone in the family is taking a pet or something, so you'll are like, wow, very excited. So some excitement is coming for you in January, friends. And yes, so yeah, very interesting. Let's see how your love life will be. Ooh, Sagittarius. Ooh, messages are coming. Look at that. Someone is coming flying into your heart, Sagittarius. Yes. Oh God. Page of Swords, Knight of Cups, the Star. Who choices in love is coming. You get to choose, Sagittarius, my babies. Sagittarius, the Hanged Man, their love life, the Eight of Pentacles, the Page of Knight of Pentacles, Three of Wands. Okay. The High Priestess, the Two of Pentacles, Chariot, the Lovers. You have a lot of choice. Sagittarius. Get ready to be spoiled. The Six of Cups. So nice. And the Seven of... Oops. My God. Look at that. We'll take them. The Eight of Swords. The Two of Cups. The Ace of Wands. Whoa. Sagittarius. Wow, you are super lucky in January. Look at that. Messages of love are coming. Someone is going to message you regarding love, someone is definitely messaging you with love, affection, and proposals are coming. I see it could be an online connection, or it could be someone from the past returning back. I feel two people are there: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel, you are the star. Everyone wants you, friends, this month, Sagittarius. Everybody. Even if you are married, people will still hit on, try to win you, try to woo you, in a positive way, because everyone wants you. You're very sexy, you're very adorable. Sagittarius, oh, you are oozing with love, attention, with power, charisma. So, yeah, in the second week of January, I think you will try to keep, you will try to relax your love life, because suddenly things are at a very fast speed and you are like, why is it everything running so fast? So, you will like take a pause, take a breath, take a breath, relax, don't rush so fast, don't be so quick. So you will take some time out, or you will try to forcefully relax your relationships. You will take a slow and careful approach in your love life. I also feel someone wants to work and build a connection with you, but you will be like, hey, I'm busy, I need some more time to think about it. Or you may also want to, build a relationship with this person, but you want to take things slow. Or this person wants to take things slow because they are like that. I think you will try, Sagittarius, to slow them down because you're very busy at work also. Three of Wands. I think this could be a long distance connection. So you are like, they want to meet you, they want to spend the weekend with you, they want to meet you, they want to take you out, date you, romance you, and you are like, hey, 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 let's not run so fast. And that's not what Sagittarius say. Sagittarius are like, hey, let's run. I want to marry you. You heard that song Marry You by Bruno Mars. It's my favorite song. That's how you are. Let's go, let's get married. There's a chapel, I met you, I like you, let's get married, let's do it. Sagittarius are more like that, but here you are like, no, 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 let's take a breathe. So in the mid of January, what's happening? High Priestess, you feel very connected to this person. They feel very connected to you. You can read their mind, they can read your mind. And I feel you will still be trying to balance. Maybe some of you are dealing with two lovers, so you are trying to see which is the best one for you. But yes, you are busy, and again, you might get a chance to meet your person. If you live in the same city, definitely you are meeting, talking, sharing. Some plans of movement, traveling together are being made. You definitely have a choice. You might choose from one or the other person. And you might also have a choice like, should you focus on work, or should you travel, or work, should you focus on love? So you have choices. Mid of January, you have choices. Listen to your intuition to make the right decisions. End of January. Oof. Passions are soaring, man. Passions are soaring. You just can't avoid this person anymore. You can't push them away. They're gonna jump right into your bed, and you look at that, the Ace of Wands. Sagittarius, your January is hot as February. Trust me, this is Valentine's for you, I guess. Yes, of course. Lots of passion, lots of sexy conversations, lots of steam. I think you will, lots of. You get my point, right? Lots of steamy stuff happening. You will be a little scared, or the person might be a little scared, but I think you are just not going to listen to the fears, both of you, and you're going to start this relationship and just move closer with each other. If you are already married, your marriage is going to get the spice of your life. Passions will be high, chance of a pregnancy is there, chance of a new family member coming in the family is there, chances of you having pets or something like that is also there. Excitement, this is your soulmate. Yes, a lot of love, a lot of commitment, a lot of passions. And Seven of Wands, this person will not give up on you. Get ready, Sagittarius. No matter how much you run away from them, they are not gonna give up on you. So you have made the right choice to say yes to their passionate love for you. Let's see some advice. Hope. Yeah, stay positive, friends. Your love life is going to surprise you. In fact, it surprised me because you are the one saying no, 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 and they are the one saying, hey, 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 let's come, let's jump. That's not what Sagittarius say, like, no, 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 patience and planning. That's exactly how you are in your love life. You are taking your time. You're like, yeah, I'll see, I like you, I feel you, but I'll take my time, and we'll do it in the right timing. Ooh. Wisdom, look at that. You're very wise, Sagittarius. You're taking a wise, mature, and very stable approach to love, and it's actually making things more steamy in your love life. I don't know why. Whatever Sagittarius do, it's always ending up attracting attention. When it's like you are being sassy, or when you are like, yes, 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 come to me, baby, it attracts a lot of people. When you say, no, 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 don't come to me, baby, it even attracts even more people. So I'm like, do you ever do, Sagittarius, anything that doesn't attract people? I don't think so. It's not possible. Not in this universe, at least. New beginnings, yep, fresh start. Yes, yes, yes. Fresh start, new start, new expansions, possibly a family marriage, passionate, maybe a union, twin flame union. For some of you, babies are coming. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see your work and career. Sagittarius. Ooh, karma. Oh, the Five of Wands, the Four of Swords. That's why you are so focused on your work. Okay, so very busy month for your work, very, very busy. You are working all the time, you are working, working, working. I see a lot of problems at your work, not because of you, but because like people not getting along well. Like your boss doesn't get along well with your juniors, so you are the in between person, you are the manager, so you have to look after, make peace with everybody. So you have a lot of like if you are a student, your friends keep arguing between themselves, so you are the peacemaker. You are like, no, 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 don't fight, let's peace it out, peace out, peace out, you know. So I feel some sort of a confusion will be there regarding your work or career. You are very busy, you have overload of work, you have a lot of assignments, lot of projects. Some of you might be working day and night this month. So I see most of you will be working at night, maybe because of the time zones different, or because you are living working from home, so you have to, you know, spend most nights at work because you have family or people around you. I also feel that you are a little unhappy because of work, like you are not getting what you are working, like you work too much, you are getting too little. But I see success coming your way, so don't be too disappointed. Success is coming. Be patient, take your time to rest this month. Sagittarius, you are very excited, you are very busy. You also have a lot of problems, like you have to be diplomatic, peace making. Other people's problems are yours, like you know, someone is ill, so they send their work to you. Someone is fighting, so they are not working, so you have to do their work. So that extra work is there, so you have to take care of your health and remain peaceful and don't overcommit yourself. If you are a student, I would say you might feel very emotional, and that might affect your studies or your your success, because you might feel like, oh, no one supports us, no one is with us, who you know, life is testing us. It's nothing like that, friends. Life is not testing you. In fact, your hard work is about to be rewarded. So don't be too emotional about your work, career, and education this month. Let's see some advice, Sagittarius. Balance, yeah, balance is very necessary. The conflict and defeat. So definitely, you are feeling like a bit defeated. You are feeling like you are working too much and success is too less. But don't worry, you will get the required success is coming your way. So don't worry so much. Success will happen for you. And let's see some extra messages. Oops. Oh, so many cards. Shall we take them? Let's shuffle them a bit. Let's just take them all. So you're very, you have a right authority, so don't worry. Rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Yeah, some people are not. Some people are behaving stupidly around you in this month. You have to overlook it. Reconciliation, someone returning. October is important for some of you. April is important. Moon, yeah, you had the moon again in the work also. So yeah, changes in your, mood swings will be there. Keep your life in balance. Balance, balance. Victory is coming through position of authority. Younger man. Nest, an emotionally secure family is important to you. Lightning, control your anger. Yeah, you need to control your anger because everyone else around you is losing their anger. Lobster, financial pinch. You're feeling like you're not getting enough finances. March is important. March, April, October. A man is important. Parrot. Someone will gossip all your secrets. Torch. Spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Older woman is important. Leg, stepping into a new experience. Archway, something new is opening for you. Spear, heartache over what you no longer have. Turkey, someone is behaving stupidly. There are a lot of people behaving stupidly around you. So don't lose hope, Sagittarius. Family wishes will come true. September is important. So October, March, April, September, October are important for you. Subscribe Magic Wednesday. Bye for now.